Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHIP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another consolidation day here. If you haven't seen the past videos, this is where the green line is coming from. So I've done this analysis the past few days here. But overall, everything is still perfectly fine. Now, that's a little bit of a tricky comment to make because there's perspective that goes into this of, well, what about the day traders, flippers, scalpers, whatever they want to call themselves, who bought right there, or maybe they bought right there and their plan was to buy and sell within 20 minutes. Well then, and that's a fair point. From that angle though, yeah, those people, the chart's looking pretty bad. But assuming you do care about the big picture of things, even with the big pullback. So yeah, that was a larger pullback today. When you take a step back and just look at things from an overall, standpoint, meaning, where these previous lows have been. Well, again, you have this first previous low right here with that green line. Other set of lows right there. Then you have these lows down here. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have from the bigger picture point of view? Well, it becomes very clear that you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's what a truly strong move is going to do. Over time, it's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as right there around that 18-cent mark, because that is once more the value of that green line. So again, yeah, it did pull back, but assuming you're not some sort of day trader that bought right there and wanted to sell 20 minutes later, then everything is still perfectly fine. Now, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, I would definitely say we got confirmation now of where the main level of resistance is at, and that sits right up here at the 22-cent mark. So let me change that to red to represent resistance. But now we've had two attempts at it, both there and that's representing back there on Monday, and another attempt right there, and both attempts were failed. So I'm not saying that the price can never break above that level. I'm just saying that it's become very apparent right now that, according to the story that's being told to us here via the chart, that the price really is going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above 22 cents, but then be able to stay up above it. But all in all, the uptrend continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.